is the crocheting method for the 5th round. 3 chain stitches, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase. Make this a group. Repeat 12 times. Slip stitch. There are 48 stitches in total for this round. Next, we'll crochet the 5th round. First, make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. At the place where we just slip stitched, we need to crochet a double crochet. Put a marker. We also crochet a double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over the hook. Go through the 2nd stitch. After crocheting 2 double crochets, we need to crochet a double crochet increase. That is, 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Yarn over the hook. In the 3rd stitch, yarn over and pull out. Pull through the remaining 2 loops. Pull through the first 2 loops. The double crochet is finished. Make another double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over and pull out. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. 1 double crochet increase. Work as 2 double crochets in the same stitch. The pattern for our group is 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet increase. Yarn over the hook. First crochet a double crochet. Double crochet completed. The next stitch is also a double crochet. After completing 2 double crochets, need to crochet a double crochet increase. Yarn over the hook. Crochet 2 double crochets in the same stitch again. Now 2 groups are completed. Work 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet increase as 1 group. Repeat for a total of 12 groups. When we finish this row, there will be 48 stitches. You can count the stitches after crocheting. We take off the stitch marker and change the yarn. Now we need to change the yarn to work the slip stitch, which will change the 2 colors of the yarn. Take off the stitch marker. Insert into the stitch that was previously marked with the stitch marker. Pull out the green yarn. Cut the red yarn. The 5th round is completed.